Lord saw the wickedness of man, and a great sorrow filled his heart. Yet, amidst the darkness, a beacon of righteousness, Noah, was found in God's eyes. An angelic messenger descended, tasked with delivering a solemn, urgent decree from above. The divine message was clear. Destruction would come upon all flesh by a great flood. Noah was instructed to build an ark, a vessel of immense size and strength. He was to gather all living creatures, 2 by 2, to preserve life's diverse forms. The dimensions were specific, a testament to divine precision guiding Noah's every action. As Noah labored, the world continued in its unheeding, sinful ways, oblivious to the coming judgment. He warned them, sharing the divine message, but his words were met with disbelief and scorn. His family, however, trusted in God's word, joining him in preparation and faith.